This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Begin by preparing a clear workspace near the Airtel Wi-Fi box. Unplug the power adapter first and wait 30 seconds before touching the box. Switch off the router and modem using their power buttons if present. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a small container for screws, and a soft cloth to protect plastic surfaces. Keep your phone nearby to capture photos of cable positions and labels. These photos help reverse the process if you plan to reinstall later. Next, identify and label each cable before disconnecting to avoid confusion. Remove the 3 cables, power, Ethernet, and DSL or fiber cable from their ports. If the box is wall-mounted, unscrew the 2 bracket screws while supporting the box with one hand. Place each screw into the small container and set the bracket aside. Gently wiggle stubborn connectors straight out to avoid damaging ports. Take a close-up photo of the port layout for future reference. After removal, pack the Airtel box with its power adapter and all cables into a box. Include any screws and the mounting bracket in the same package to avoid missing parts. Contact Airtel customer care to schedule pickup or confirm return procedures and any required return window. Factory reset the device only if Airtel instructs you to do so before return. Document the box IMEI number and any serials by photo to speed up customer service interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.